Roots of this cactus-looking plant hold a gooey translucent gel that is extremely bitter to taste but has unbelievable healing properties. This translucent gel is made of around 96% water, some organic and inorganic compounds, vitamin A, B, C, and E, and a type of protein which contains 18 of the 20 amino acids. Another essential nutrients found in aloe vera gel is a complex carbohydrates known as acemannan. All these essential nutrients help process out toxins and promote metabolism, which further aid weight loss. Today's video discuss how aloe vera juice helps save extra kilos.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
How aloe vera juice helps save extra kilos. Aloe vera juice might help aid weight loss. Aloe vera is loaded with several essential nutrients. Essential nutrient in aloe vera helps promote overall health. We all have tried losing weight at some point or the other. And let's agree, weight loss is not an easy other steps. It is a time-taking journey that needs dedication, patience, and right kind of lifestyle. Foods has a major role to play in our weight loss journey. One such popular superfood option is aloe vera, and the best part is aloe vera can easily be grown in your garden for everyday use. How to make aloe vera juice for weight loss? To make it yet healthier and tastier, we add lemon juice, honey, and black salt to the drink. Ingredients: aloe vera leaf 1, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, honey as per taste, powdered jaggery 1 teaspoon, cold water 3/4 serving glass or mason jar, cumin seeds half teaspoon, dried red chili half, black salt as per taste. Preparation: cut and throw the leaf portions of the aloe vera leaf that oozes out yellow color gel. Now divide the leaf into 2 halves and scrape the gel out of it. Pour the gel in a mixture grinder, add lemon juice, honey, and some powdered jaggery to it and mix them well. If you do not have a grinder, you can also whisk or hand blend them in a container. Add cold water and mix again. Keep it aside. Roast the cumin seeds and red chili on a pan and grind them coarsely in a mortar and pestle. Pour the juice in a glass or mason jar and add the spices, mix, and black salt. The aloe vera juice is ready to be served. Variation: you can also add fruit juice instead of water for varied taste. This healthy juice might taste a bit pungent in the first 2 sips due to the aloe vera gel, but you will love it. Try at home and let us know how you felt. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.